Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines and head on down to Ford's Garage. My family and I visited this restaurant. It has just only been open for about 2 weeks. Definitely has a classic, timeless vibe. I love the aesthetics of this place. It's super immersive and very detailed. I mean, everywhere you would turn in the restaurant, there'd be a little detailed thing as you were in a legit garage shop for a car. As you open the doors, it's like you're exactly walking into a garage. There's oil stands, there's oil cans, there's all these signs, and they actually have a real Model T car. That car actually honks its horn and blows out smoke. Not real smoke, but it's very fun. That was actually one of my sons and I's favorite part of it. Now let's get into the food. This is a nice all-American restaurant. You have your burgers, your salads, your sandwiches, wings, what you could think of that's American, they have it here. This is a place where you could bring everybody in your family and everybody could pick something off of the menu. I ended up getting the salmon with the jalapeno roasted cream corn and mashed potatoes. My husband got the chipotle chicken sandwich with fries. Josiah got a Ford's Kids Burger with fries. Eliana got the mac and cheese and fries. I would say that the mac and cheese was dry, but I'll put that on as us being the last customers of the night. My mother-in-law got the Cobb salad. Let me know if you would try this place out. I think it's totally cute.